Improvements in drawing views. In ZW3D 2026, the drawing module has been improved to make views more expressive and suitable for a wider range of drawing needs. First, the section view now includes the arc type, which is ideal for drawing rotating parts like turbines and bearings. You can create named section using arc sketch in the 3D environment and choose it in the bent section view to complete the arc section. This feature makes the drawing more accurate and easier to understand. Additionally, for auxiliary views with a rotated angle, you can now right-click to adjust the view in either a clockwise or counterclockwise direction, making it automatically align to horizontal or vertical. The rotation angle can also be shown as a note on the label, and it will stay linked to the 3D model. When the model rotates, the angle on the drawing updates automatically, minimizing manual adjustments and improving efficiency. Also, the boundary options for broken section views and detail views have been expanded to include spline curves, allowing you to create views with greater flexibility. You can now choose spline curve as the boundary, draw irregular curves, and generate detail views that meet specific needs, making the drawing representation more precise and flexible. Lastly, to meet different company standards, thread termination lines can now be displayed in views. You can simply check Show Thread Termination Lines in the view options, and it will automatically add the termination lines in the section view, making the drawing more standardized and reducing manual work. Overall, these updates make the drawing module more flexible, user-friendly, and standardized.